Welcome to Tiny Hands Art.
Yay!
Hey kids! Today we're going to draw some super cool veggies. Look at all these bright colors. We've got broccoli, zucchini, eggplant, and more. Let's grab your marker and scale. Then make 3 lines, those make us 6 square shapes. First up is the broccoli.
Whoa!
Start with a big fluffy top and a little stem.
Awesome!
Now let's move on to the zucchini. Make a long, smooth shape.
Epic!
What's your favorite vegetable? Let me know in the comments.
Okay.
Now let's draw the eggplant. Next is the okra. Doesn't it look cool?
Dazzling!
Then we've got the peas. Look at those little bumps.
Superb!
And finally, we'll draw the onion. It looks like a little bulb, doesn't it? Wow! Our drawing is complete! Now we're coloring those art. Let's go! I used green because broccoli is like a tiny tree.
Unreal!
We're using light green for that.
Unimaginable!
Make sure to color inside the lines. But remember, for backgrounds, I'm using bright yellow here. For zucchini, I use light green.
Surprise!
I use blue for background.
Superb!
Now let's add some color to the eggplant. We're using purple for that. I use cyan for stem.
Stunning!
For background, I use red. Next we color the okra, and I'm using a darker green. For background I use purple.
Shocking!
Doesn't it look cool? Let me know in the comments.
Okay.
Then we've got the peas. Look at those little bumps. It looked like tiny green, so picked green for this.
Outstanding!
I use maroon for stem. For background I use yellow. And finally, we'll color the onion with a soft purple. It looks like a little bulb, doesn't it? I use dark green for background.
Magnificent! Insane!
And there you have it. Our 6 vibrant vegetables. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!